Hello folks. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab the mental health viral videos in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR just like this one. And it explains how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with a ton of free traffic. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get a high converting gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a recurring passive income with ease. And bonus number 5 will show you how to earn $186,000 or $186 a day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And not only that, you get a high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, the creator of mental health viral videos is Daniel Melandri, and he has done it again. Now, this time with version 2 of mental health viral videos. Now, version 2, he created mental health viral videos previously, but these are all new ones. He's an online marketing expert who seeks to help marketers and online businesses increase their results and success. He has nearly 9,000 sales, over 20 products to his credit, including his last product, which reached over 1,000 sales. Now, he specializes in video creation. In a nutshell, mental health viral videos version 2 is 100% new video, 100% new videos, and hence there's no really overlap from previous videos. They're completely 100% new. You can upload them for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, and you can do that under 5 minutes. Not only that, they are completely PLR unrestricted rights. So here's some things you should know about this product. Very beautiful products, by the way, for under 50 seconds each video. You receive 300 mental health viral videos that are 100% new. They are trending types of videos. They take 5 minutes to upload. There's no video editing required. Just upload them to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You can receive 3 bonuses with the front end, and there are no copyright issues. However, there's also no money-back guarantee with this. After all, they are PLR and all sales are final. Now, the front end, you receive the 300 new mental health viral videos completely editable on Canva and can be loaded on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and they come with 100% unrestricted use rights, all of that for $19.95. There's also a bump which includes 200 more videos for $9.95. And did I say you also get 3 bonuses with this product besides mine? Well, this is a super deal. There are 4 OTOs. One is a self-help course, ebooks, mega bundle for $47. OTO 2 is a mental health posts bundle for $19.95. OTO 3 is a mental health planners bundle, $37. And OTO 4 is a mega bundle of viral videos for $197. And there are a lot of videos within the OTO4. Now, the sales funnel, you need to watch for the down sales. You might get less product or a different product, but you'll also save some money in the process. So if you want to know more, click that second link in the description below and get that full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in the first link below, and I cannot recommend this enough, folks. So please take a hard look at it. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.